Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to cancel your Life360 subscription so you are no longer billed. So let's get started. First of all, open Life360 application on your mobile phone. Then tap the setting gear icon in the top corner to access your account settings. The top corner left corner you will see the setting gear icon. Click on that. After that, scroll down to account and subscription. Tap on manage the membership. After going to the account and subscription, you will see the tab on manage membership. Here you will see your current subscription, plan and billing details. Now cancel the subscription. Tap cancel membership or cancel subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm. Life360 may ask why you are cancelling. You can provide a reason or skip it. Once confirmed, your subscription will not renew. Step 2 is to confirm the cancellation. After the cancellation, you will still have access to the premium features until the current billing period ends. Make sure you receive a confirmation email to ensure the cancellation went through. And that's it, you have successfully cancelled your Life360 subscription. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more easy tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.